What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting company that we have covered since day one from their IPO. We've also interviewed their CEO. I should have more videos about the company in the future, but in this video, we're talking about a very exciting press release that the company just put out. I wanted to give you guys a bit of an update how the stock has been performing since its IPO, and it's been a really awesome performing stock. They're up to some really innovative things. Of course, the company is called NEXE Innovations. So in this video, it's going to be a quick update, charts, the website, and of course their most significant press release that we're going to be going over and just talking a little bit about, the company and my thoughts. So for full disclosure details, this video was sponsored by NEXE Innovations. So check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer, and on top of that, noting always that these videos are never financial advice. So with that being said, guys, if you do support me in the channel and all the videos, then kindly explode that like button. It takes just 1 second of your time, along with cashing that subscribe button and ringing the market bell for notifications on future videos, new and exciting companies, CEO interviews, all the stuff that we bring to you guys here at Departures Capital. So without further ado, I bring NEXE Innovations this update, and holy smokes, guys, it was a crazy day. On Friday for NEXE Innovations, the stock was up 8.53% to 509. So these are 52-week highs for the company. It closed exactly at 52-week highs. NEXE now has a market cap of $327 million, and the stock has done awesome so far. So originally, NEXE started trading around $1.40, $1.50. I remember watching it the first day of trade. And since then, it's been a nice steady climb. We pulled back a little bit around the $3 range, and now here we are at 52-week highs at 5. So it has been a fantastic performing stock. So if you are interested in the company, maybe this is your first time hearing about them, nexeinnovations.com, that is their website. You can see what they do. They have a really awesome mission. So their mission is to replace everyday products with plant-based materials. The patented NEXE Pod is unprecedented, delivering full compostability, higher performance, and exceptional design. So you can see they're all about plant-based materials and biodegradable items, and I think that this is really important going forward because we know how much, how bad plastics are for the environment. So they did receive $1 million grant from the government of Canada already, but this press release is very significant, and we're going to talk about it right now, guys. So NEXE developing compostable, disposable face masks, and as we know with this global illness, face masks, they're going to be hitting the environment at an alarming pace, just the sheer amount of them being made. So NEXE Innovations, a leader in innovative plant-based materials science and manufacturing technologies, has begun the development and prototyping of a compostable, disposable face mask in response to the ongoing global illness. In developing a NEXE mask, NEXE will leverage existing collaborations in polymer science, plant-based materials, and municipal composting that were utilized for its NEXE Pod. To support this goal, NEXE has also initiated new collaborators with leaders in healthcare and personal protective equipment. NEXE has developed initial prototypes that will focus on creating a fully functional, compostable, disposable face mask that meets international healthcare standards in the coming months. The space required for manufacturing can be easily accommodated in NEXE's newly expanded production facility, and several new hires in engineering roles are anticipated as part of the project. The company aims to complete a functional prototype in 2021 with funds raised under the December 2020 financing and received under warrant exercises. NEXE has sufficient funds to complete the development of the NEXE face mask. It is estimated that more than 100 billion face masks are currently being disposed of every month as this global illness rages on. The vast majority of these are made from non-compostable polypropylene, requiring decades or centuries to break down and leaving microplastic pollution behind. While they are a key tool in the fight against this global illness, these disposable masks also create significant landfill waste or contaminate lakes, rivers, oceans, and soils. The global market for disposable masks exceeded $70 billion in 2020, more than double the size of the market for single-serve beverage pods. So here's the NEXE mask, plant-based mask concept. So with this project, NEXE is finally able to showcase our innovative platform, leveraging our battle-tested experience in handling plant-based materials technologies to confront plastic waste in the healthcare industry, said CEO Darren Foots. Masks save lives, but there has to be a more sustainable solution. We've built the skills and technologies needed to confront this problem and are excited to open up a new dimension to our business. Just a little bit more information, guys, and that will be it for the update. So NEXE will leverage established collaborations with the Surrey Biofuels facility, one of Canada's most advanced composting centers, and Dr. Zachary Hudson, Canada Research Chair in Sustainable Chemistry at UBC. Hudson also serves as Chief Scientific Officer for NEXE, and his lab at UBC is equipped with state-of-the-art instruments for materials characterization and design. Our goal is to develop a disposable face mask that is made from plant-based materials without compromising on safety or comfort. By engaging with leaders in material science, compostability, PPE manufacturing, and healthcare, NEXE aims to apply our technologies to one of the world's fastest-growing sources of plastic waste. We are excited to share more about our technologies and partnerships in the short term, said Hudson. So guys, that's it for the update. I think this is very significant. This is obviously a market that, is going to need some help. I think this is a fantastic idea personally. Anything to do better for the environment, that's what NEXE is all about. And I think, investors or potential investors will kind of see the opportunity in that alone. Now, of course, these videos are never financial advice. Don't buy or sell stocks because you heard about it on here. That's the end of this video. I just wanted to simply give my opinion on what NEXE is doing. And I think they're doing, or at least they're trying to do good for the environment. So that's pretty heartwarming. But anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember, though, this video was sponsored by NEXE Innovations. Check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with the link in the description to our full disclaimer. And always remember, Departures Capital and Departures Stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.